Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to change your Gmail profile picture. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture icon or the circle with your initial and click Manage your Google account. Now, under your Google account settings, go to the Personal Info tab. Click the camera icon on your profile picture and click Add Profile Picture. There's a lot of illustration you can choose, and you can also upload your picture from your computer. You can choose to take a picture or upload from your computer. So choose your profile and resize it. Once you're done, click Next. Here you can choose to make your profile visible in public or only to those you interact with. Choose one, click Done, and click Save your profile picture. And that is how to change your Gmail profile picture.